In this video, we'll talk about how to use a VPN on your Android phone. First of all, if you're wondering why you'd want to use a VPN, it's mainly for security reasons. You can use a VPN so others won't know where you're accessing from. Or sometimes, certain shows aren't available in your country. If you want to watch those shows, you can turn on a VPN. Also, sometimes some websites are banned in your country. In that case too, you can use a VPN. Or in some cases, certain applications are banned. In that case as well, you can use a VPN. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to use a VPN on your Android phone. For this, the first thing is you can go to Settings and search for VPN. When you search for VPN, you'll see the VPN option, but it's pretty difficult to set it up. Here you can see the Add VPN option. But you need to know certain things, only then can you add a VPN without using any third-party application. So the easy method is to use a third-party app. For that, go to the Play Store and search for Free VPN or VPN. When you search, you'll see so many VPNs. Here, I've downloaded Proton VPN. I think it's a good VPN. There aren't many ads. In other VPN apps, there are so many ads. Anyway, open Proton VPN. When you open it, you'll reach a page like this. But the thing is, sometimes when you're using this app for the first time, you need to enable some permissions. Anyway, after that, you'll reach this page. Here you can see the Connect option. Click on Connect. When you click it, the VPN will be activated. If you want to know whether the VPN is activated, look above, you'll see the VPN icon. Now you can confirm the VPN is activated. And if you want to change the server, click on Change Server and it'll switch. But one thing, in the free version, you can't choose which country you want. Only some countries are free. If you want every country, you'll need to go for the subscription plans. Anyway, here the country option is there. From that, you can select a country if you're on the Pro plan. Anyway, the VPN is now connected. I think most people will only need this free plan. Only a few will need the premium plan. Anyway, after this, if you want to disconnect, click on Disconnect. When you click it, the VPN will be disconnected. So, this way you can easily use a VPN on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.